Hey there friends, have you ever wondered about realistic ways to make money online without putting in much effort? Well, you are in the right place. My name is Mahesh and I've been earning a living online for several years now. I often get asked about making money without doing anything. And let me tell you, there's a ton of misleading claims out there. So in this video, I want to set the record straight and share the genuine approaches to making passive income online. Let's address the elephant in the room first. Those exaggerated promises of earning big buckets by simply clicking a few buttons. It's not real. Don't fall for those scams. Making money online requires the right approach, effort, and understanding of what passive income truly means. Now, there's a legit way to make substantial money without actively working, and that's through investments. Some have stuck gold in real estates, crypto, or stocks, but hold on your horses. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Making significant gains requires substantial investments and, most importantly, knowledge. You can't expect to throw a small amount of money into a mix and start living the high life you want. Now, let's talk about a more accessible method that doesn't require a hefty budget: passive income applications. There are various apps and websites where you can earn a bit of extra cash by installing softwares or utilizing unused internet bandwidth. So it won't make you rich, but it's a realistic way to start earning a bit of money without spending anything upfront. For more information, guys, I would be linking down the video down in the description, or you can watch it in the I button which is popping on the screen. Lastly, there's the option of building an online business. I've done it myself and many refer it to as passive income. Yes, you can continue earning while you sleep, but here is the catch. It requires effort to set up initially. Whether it's an affiliate marketing, YouTube, Amazon FBA, or drop shipping, you'll need to put in time, effort, and often a little investment to see real results. Passive doesn't mean zero effort. It means you'll keep earning even when you're not actively working. Building an online business requires a foundation, and that foundation demands your dedication and hard work. Guys, just imagine if a normal Indian person like me, who can sit at home and start making money in dollars just by creating systems on autopilot, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? And by any chance, if you're really interested in my preferred method to earn around $5,000 to $10,000 every month on autopilot, that too from comfort of your home, just making use of your computer and internet connection, then I request you to please click the first link in the description, get registered, and watch the 2 hours presentation so that you would be getting a clear short idea. Alright guys, so at last I would like to conclude saying, making money online without doing anything is a myth. Beware of scams and unrealistic claims. You can make money, but it either involves significant risk and investment, settling for a little extra income on the side, or putting in the effort to build a genuine online business. So guys, please check out the links below to some easy ways to earn a bit extra passively and information about the method I've used to build my online business. So if this video has been helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so that it would be motivating me to create new content for you. Thanks for watching and stay savvy in your online ventures. Have a great day.